In this video, I am going to show you how to create categories in WooCommerce and also how to add WooCommerce product categories to WordPress menu. So let's see how we can do it. So to create categories in WooCommerce, at first we need to log into our WordPress website dashboard, and then from the left menu we are going to click on products and then categories. Now on the right side you will see all the product categories that you have already created. And now we are going to see how to create new categories in WooCommerce. So at first we are going to give our category a name, and after that for the slug you can leave it as it is. And next is parent category. If you want to make this category as a parent category, then you can select none from here. But if you want to make this category as a subcategory of any other category, then you can click on this drop down and select the category. And now our new category will be the subcategory of this category. But I want to create this category as a parent category, so I am going to select none from here. And after that you can add the description for your category if you want. And next is display type. From here you can select products, subcategories or both. If you want to create categories only for products, then you can select products from here. Or if you are going to create categories for both of them, then you can select both from here. For this tutorial I am going to select products from here, and after that you can upload an image for your category. Just click on upload. You can select it from the media library or you can upload it from your computer. And after that just click on add new category, and as you can see that our new category is now created. Now let's see how we can add our product category to the WordPress menu. So from the WordPress website dashboard, click on appearance and then click on menus. Now if you have multiple menus on your WordPress website, then from the top you can select your menu. So we are going to scroll down a little bit, and here on the left side we will see product categories. So we are going to click on it, and after that we are going to click on view all. And here it will show us all the product categories. So from here we are going to select the category that we have just created, and after that we are going to click on add to menu. Now click on save menu. So now if I visit my website, and here you will see the product category that we have just created and added to our menu. So this is how you can create categories in WooCommerce and add them to the WordPress menu. Thank you so much for watching the video tutorial. Please like the video.